Hello students, welcome to Rajkumar Smart Chemistry. I am going to discuss previously asked questions in JEE Mains and NEET exams, especially in hybridization. Last class I given trick how to calculate the various compounds hybridization. Please keenly observe my total videos and last videos. We able to get trick for hybridization and I want to discuss questions previously asked questions. JEE Mains NEET previous questions. First question is the hybridization of orbitals of nitrogen atom in NO3 minus, NO2 plus and NH4 plus is. This is the previously asked questions. So NO3 minus nitrogen belongs to fifth group. I want to write 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last class I given already. Please, nitrogen belongs to fifth group. I've written 5 dots. Again minus charge, negative charge is there. Take one more dot. 3 hydrogens are there. So for 3 hydrogens are there, each hydrogen always bonding double bond. Take 2 dots for each oxygen. Then so leave it and give numbering from top to bottom. I am giving 1, 2, 3. 3 means sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization, 0 lone pairs, nothing but trigonal planar shape. Trigonal planar shape, bond angle 120 degrees. 120 degrees. This is NO3 minus. sp2 2 plus 1 3 is satisfied. Next NO2 plus. Nitrogen again belongs to fifth group, means write 5 dots. Positive charge is there, eliminate 1 dot please. If negative charge is there, add anion. For cation, so number of cations 1 is there, I eliminated 1 dot. How many oxygens? 2 oxygens. Each oxygen always forming double bond. Here 1 oxygen, so give 1 number. Second oxygen give 2 number. 1, 2 means which type of hybridization? Which hybridization having sum of powers equal to? sp hybridization having sum of powers equal to 2 means sp hybridization. Year 1, 2 is satisfied. sp hybridization 0 lone pairs means linear shape, bond angle is 180 degrees. This is about. Next another NH4 plus is there. NH4 plus ammonium ion. In ammonium ion also nitrogen belongs to which group? Fifth group. 5 dots. Again cation 1 positive charge is there, eliminate 1 positive charge. How many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens. All hydrogens bonding with a single bond only. Each dot give 1 hydrogen. Give numbering from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means which type of hybridization? sp3 hybridization with 0 lone pair, no lone pair. In this, how many bond pairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bond pairs are there. 0 lone pairs are there. Tetrahedral shape. Bond angle is 109 degrees, 5 minutes. This is about first question. The structure of IF7, second question is, previous question, structure of IF7. IF7 is interhalogen compound. Why I am saying interhalogen compound? Iodine is a halogen, one type of halogen. Fluorine also halogen. Both halogens mixing themselves to give interhalogen compound. IF7 also interhalogen. Iodine belongs to 7th group, means I want to write 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots. How many fluorines are there? 7 fluorines are there. Each fluorine bonding always single bond. So I want to give 1. Each fluorine always bonding single bond. For 1 dot I am giving 1 fluorine. How many fluorines distributed? 7 fluorines I distributed. Next, top to bottom giving number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 6, 7 means sp means sum of powers equal to 2, sp2 means sum of powers equal to 3, sp3 means sum of powers equal to 4, sp3d means sum of powers equal to 5, sp3d2 means sum of powers equal to 6. So sp3d3 means sum of powers equal to 7. So which type of hybridization is there? So sp3d3 hybridization. How many lone pairs are there? 0 lone pair. 0 lone pair. 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. 7 is satisfied. Now what is the shape of the molecule? sp3d3 hybridization is there. 0 lone pairs are there. So the shape of the molecule is pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagonal bipyramidal. Now I want to discuss third question. What is third question? Which of the following has maximum number of lone pairs in xenon? Option A, they given xenon trioxide. Option B, they given xenon tetrafluoride. Option 3C, xenon hexafluoride. Option D, they given xenon difluoride. For this type of questions, follow my trick please. Please keenly observe my last video, hybridization trick, chemical bonding 2 chapter, chemical class 2 chapter, class 2. Okay, which of the following has maximum number? I want to check one by one. Xenon belongs to after 7th group elements. Xenon elements are 0 group elements are. 7th group elements means I want to consider xenon is a 8th group elements. I want to draw 8 dots. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. How many oxygens are there? 3 oxygens are there. 3 oxygens means, so each oxygen always bonding which bond? Single bond. Double bond. Maximum number of. Here how many lone pairs are there? Maximum number of lone pairs. So remaining electrons are pairing them. Pairing them means here xenon trioxide. How many pairs are there? 1 pair is there. Next check xenon tetrafluoride. Xenon belongs to 8th group means I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. How many fluorines are there? 4 fluorines are there. Each dot giving 1 fluorine with a single bond. Remaining electrons, remaining dots, pairing them please. So pairing them. So how many? 2 lone pairs are there in this. 2 lone pairs are there in this. Next check xenon hexafluoride. Xenon belongs to 8th group means how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots. How many fluorines are there? 6 fluorines are there. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fluorines are there. Remaining pairing them. How many lone pairs are there? 1 lone pair is there. 1 lone pair is there. Now in this 1 lone pair, in this 2 lone pairs, in this also 1 lone pair. Next xenon, check xenon difluoride. Xenon difluoride means again draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because after 7th group elements are known as xenon group element, 0 group elements. Xenon is the 0 group elements. I want to consider for trick purpose xenon as a 8th group element. 8th group elements means I am writing 8 dots. How many fluorines are there? 2 fluorines are there. So always fluorine with a single bond only. Remaining dots pairing them please. Pairing them. How many? 1, 2, 3 means 3 lone pairs are there. 3 lone pairs are there. But so according to our question, maximum number of lone pairs, option D is correct. Option D having number of lone pairs are 3. Option D is correct. Within fraction of seconds, we are checking maximum number of lone pairs. Now I want to discuss fourth question. Number of lone pairs of electrons in I3- ion is. This is also previous asked question in JEE Mains. I3 minus means, so follow my trick in I3 minus. I3 minus means here 1 iodine I want to consider central atom. 1 iodine. 1 iodine means, so remaining how many iodine is the 7th group element? No? First draw 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots. Negative charge is there. So put one more dot for negative charge dot. How many iodines? 3 iodine in this 3 iodines. One is the central atom. Remaining iodines, how many iodines are there? 2 iodines always bonding single bond. Remaining pairing them. Pairing them. How many pairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, sp3d hybridization with 3 lone pairs. sp3d hybridization with 3 lone pairs means linear shape molecule it is. But what they given? Number of lone pairs they asked. Number of lone pairs they asked means here 1 lone pair, 2 lone pairs, 3 lone pairs. I3 minus the number of lone pairs are 3 lone pairs are there in this. 3 lone pairs are there. This is about fourth question. The compound with 2 lone pairs of electrons on central atom. The compounds, previous asked question, it is also number of 2 lone pairs of electrons with 2 lone pairs of electron on central atom. Means which compound having 2 lone pairs in given option, they given. It is also interhalogen compounds. Bromine is 7th A group elements. Write 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fluorines are there? 5 fluorines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many lone pairs are there? 1 lone pair is there. Only 1 lone pair, but it is not correct answer. Next, ClF3. It is also interhalogen compound. So how many dots? 7 dots. Draw 7 dots. How many fluorines are there? 3 fluorines are there. Remaining pairing them. How many? 2 lone pairs are there. 2 lone pairs are there. But in our given question, 2 lone pairs. This is the correct option. No need to check C and D. C and D. For satisfaction purpose, I want to check here. 8th group means xenon means 8th group elements. So write 8 dots. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 fluorines are there in this. 4 fluorines remaining also pairing them. Remaining also pairing them. Okay. Now this is xenon hexafluoride. Please change this. Xenon hexafluoride. Xenon hexafluoride means F only 1 lone pair is there. Next, sulfur. Oxysulfur belongs to 7th group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th group. 7th, here 1 lone pair, only 1 lone pair is there. 7th group. 6th group. Sulfur belongs to 6th group. Write 6 dots. 2, 4, 5, 6 dots. How many fluorines are there? 4 fluorines are there. Here also one number of lone pairs are. Only 1 lone pair is there. Now this is the correct option. So 2 lone pairs having which on central atom means in ClF3 number of lone pairs are 2. This is the correct option for. It is important question. Previous asked question. The species in which the nitrogen atom is in a state of sp hybridization, means in which of the following compound having in ABCD options having sp hybridization. What is our trick? Nitrogen belongs is the central atom. Nitrogen belongs to 5th group means write 5 dots. How many oxygens are there? 2 oxygens are there. Each oxygen always forming double bond. Okay, now it is 1, 2, giving number 1, 2. Okay, sp is there. 1 dot is remaining. 1 dot is remaining. So it is not fit for our trick. This is also not. sp hybridization is there. 1 electron is there in this. 1 electron is there. For NO2 plus. NO2 plus means nitrogen belongs to again 5th group. 5th group means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Only nitrogen atom in the state of sp hybridization is there. Which is having sp hybridization. Because here sp hybridization is there. But 1 electron is there. Because this is not correct answer. Now I want to check NO2 plus. NO2 plus means here plus means positive charge cation eliminate 1 electron, 1 dot. How many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens are there. 1, 2. Now 1, 2 means which type of hybridization? sp hybridization. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. I want to check this one also. NO2 minus means 5 dots. Minus means put 1 more dot. How many oxygens are there? 2 oxygens are there. 1 lone pair also there. 1 lone pair is there. 1, 2, 3. This is sp2 hybridization. Now NO3 minus means nitrogen belongs to fifth group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again negative charge is there, put one more dot. 3 oxygens are there. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. This is a sp2 hybridization. It is sp2. It is sp only with there is no unpaired electron. It is also spNO2, but there is one electron is there. So option B is the correct answer. Option B is the next question is seventh question. Which of the following the smallest bond angle is dash. So option A NCl3, option B ASCl3, option C SbCl3, option D PCl3. These are all our fifth group elements. Fifth group elements, what are fifth group elements? Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These are the fifth group elements. These are the fifth group trihalides. But which of the following having smallest bond angle? So how to identify the bond angle means we have to know hybridization number of lone pairs. So nitrogen belongs to fifth group. Fifth group means write 5 dots. How many chlorines are there? 3 chlorines are there. Remaining are pairing them. For pairing also give number 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the hybridization? sp3 hybridization with one lone pair. sp3 hybridization with one lone pair means the shape of the molecule is pyramidal shape. Pyramidal shape. So pyramidal shape, and also bond angle is 107 degrees approximately. This is also fifth group. Write 5 dots. Again 3 chlorines are there. Here 3 chlorines, here one lone pair. It is also sp3 one lone pair. Same shape, but a bond angle is so less than 107 degrees. Less than 107 degrees. Less than 107 degrees. Next, SbCl3. This is also fifth group. Write 5 dots. Cl, here Cl, here Cl, here 1, 2, 3, 4. It is also sp3 with one lone pair. Same pyramidal shape. Bond angle is less than that of 107 degrees. Phosphorus trichloride also fifth group. Write 5 dots. 3 chlorines are there. Each is having one lone pair. sp3 one lone pair. sp3 one lone pair. Now this NCl3 having 107 degrees. From top to bottom the bond angle is decreasing. Bond angle is decreasing means SbCl3 having least bond angle compared to in this 4. Option C is correct answer. Once again, in trihalides, nitrogen, NCl3 2, SbCl3. In the fifth group trihalides, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic trichloride, antimony trichloride, bond angle is decreases compared to 107 degrees compared. So it may be 105, it may be 104, it may be 103, it may be 105, 103 like that. SbCl3 having. Now I want to discuss 8th question. Which of the following pairs the two species are isostructural? Isostructural means which is having same structure. But how to identify the isostructural same structure? Based on hybridization. If these which is having same hybridization, same number of lone pairs means they are in same shape, same structure. Now I want to check hybridization in each pair. Please follow my trick. So SF4 and xenon tetrafluoride. SF4 means sulfur belongs to, I want to check first option A. So xenon sulfur belongs to 6th group. So I written 6 dots. How many fluorines are there? 4 fluorines. 4 fluorines means now this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the hybridization? sp3d one lone pair. sp3d one lone pair. So xenon tetrafluoride means xenon belongs to 6th group. So 8th group, write 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fluorines? 4 fluorines. 4 fluorines remaining, pairing them 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now this is all sp3d2 2 lone pairs, sp3d2 2 lone pairs. This is the wrong answer. Next, SO3 2 minus, sulfur belongs to sixth group. I written 6 dots, 2 minus negative charges are there, put 2 more dots. So 3 oxygens always bonding double bond, remaining pairing them, pairing also give number 1 2 3 4. Now this is sp3 1 0 lone pair, 1 lone pair. sp3 1 lone pair means sp3 1 lone pair means pyramidal shape. Now check NO3 minus also. NO3 minus means nitrogen belongs to fifth group, write 5 dots. So for negative charge also put 1 more dot. How many oxygens are there? 3 oxygens are there. 1 2 3. This is the sp2 hybridization 0 lone pair. This is also wrong answer. Now next, BF3 and NF3. BF3 and NF3 means boron belongs to third group. 3 fluorines are there. Now what is the hybridization? sp2 hybridization. Now NF3. NF3 means nitrogen belongs to fifth group. How many? 3 hydrogens with 1 lone pair. Now this is the sp3 1 2 3 4. sp3 with 1 lone pair. This is also wrong answer. Now I want to discuss in Br O3 minus and xenon trioxide. Bromine belongs to sixth group. Bromine belongs to seventh group. Write 7 dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 negative charge is there, put 1 more dot. How many oxygens are there? 3 oxygens are there. For pairing also give number 1 2 3 4. sp3 with 1 lone pair is there. sp3 with 1 lone pair means pyramidal shape. Pyramidal shape. Next I want to check xenon trioxide also. Xenon belongs to 8th group. After 7th A group elements are known as 8th group. 2 4 6 8. Trioxide means so 3 oxygens, remaining pairing them 1 2 3 4. sp3 with 1 lone pair. Now this is also sp3 with 1 lone pair. This is also sp3 with 1 lone pair, having pyramidal shape, same structure. Option D is the correct. Option D is the correct. This is about so previous asked questions by using my trick, my hybridization trick. Follow my trick please. Watch number of times my hybridization trick last videos. Okay, please if you like my videos, like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you. ఒక క్వశ్చన్ తీసేయాలి.